Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device so sideloading works. Enable Install Unknown Apps for the browser or file manager you'll use. This allows APKs to install. Once done, confirm Android version compatibility and free at least 500 megabytes for packages and temporary files. Download the Play Store or individual APK bundle from a reputable mirror. Make sure the file name and file size match the source listing. This gets you ready to install without signing into a Google account. Next, install the right components in order to avoid crashes. First, install Google Play Services APK, then Google Services Framework if needed, and finally, the Play Store APK. Order matters because dependencies load at installation. Grant runtime permissions when prompted and allow background processes to update. If an installer prompts for a reboot, do it. Make sure you use APKs matching your device ABI or a universal build, because mismatch splits cause installation errors or app refusal to launch. Finally, open the Play Store to browse and download apps. You can install many apps without signing in, though some require a Google account. If an app fails, clear the Play Store or Play Services cache and data, then reinstall the APK. This often resolves signature or version conflicts. If issues persist, check that Play Services and Store versions match. Installing the compatible Play Services version usually fixes dependency errors. As a last resort, backup data and factory reset to eliminate corrupted system state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.